The world of humanoid robotics is changing at a pace that would have seemed unimaginable only a few years ago. The latest developments from Tesla with its Tesla Optimus Gen 3 platform have shocked not only the robotics industry, but also its fiercest rivals. Among those rivals, Figure Gen 2 Robot into the spotlight with carefully staged demonstrations, releasing a stream of videos that showcase capabilities that appear to surpass what Tesla has publicly shown. The clash between Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 and Figure AI's F02 has created one of the most anticipated rivalries in the world of artificial intelligence and robotics. So, what big surprises will Tesla Optimus Rival bring? Don't click away. In the next 30 seconds, I'll show you Tesla's most secret update about Optimus. Before we begin, if you love staying ahead on Tesla and AI tech, hit subscribe now. You'll be the first to know the breaking news. Tesla's unveiling of Optimus Gen 3 brought a new wave of excitement. Elon Musk described this version as the first true step toward a mass-market humanoid that could one day be produced by the hundreds of thousands annually. Optimus Gen 3 is not just a concept or a prototype, standing stiff on a stage. It is a functioning humanoid robot built with Tesla's deep integration of hardware and artificial intelligence. What shocked many was the shift from flashy demonstrations to a clear focus on utility. Version 3, however, went further with hands capable of 26 degrees of freedom per arm, allowing finger dexterity similar to a human hand. Tesla confirmed that all of these actuators were designed and manufactured in-house, ensuring vertical integration that not only lowers cost over time, but also allows tight control over quality and design optimization. The figures surrounding Optimus Gen 3 show how ambitious Tesla is. The company stated that the target retail price could fall in the $20,000 range, a dramatic reduction from the hundreds of thousands of dollars that humanoid robots traditionally cost. Musk went further, suggesting that with economies of scale, the price could eventually drop closer to $8,000, putting Optimus into the same cost bracket as an economy car. Production targets are equally bold: 500,000 units per year by 2027, with early versions expected to start entering Tesla factories before scaling into consumer homes. Optimus Gen 3 weighs around 120 pounds and walks at speeds of up to 5 kilometers per hour. Its power source is a Tesla-designed battery pack, estimated to provide 8 to 10 hours of continuous work. Perhaps more importantly, Optimus Gen 3 is fully integrated into Tesla's AI ecosystem. The same Dojo supercomputer that trains Tesla's full self-driving vehicles is also being used to accelerate the learning of Optimus. The robot is not a closed system, but one connected to billions of real-world driving miles, and a fleet of neural nets constantly updated. Figure AI, however, has not been sitting still. The company burst into headlines with its F01 robot, which made waves when shown interacting naturally with humans, moving fluidly, and handling tasks in controlled environments. Its successor, Figure Gen 2, has been released through a flurry of online videos, each designed to capture the public imagination. In one demonstration, Robot was shown recognizing objects in a kitchen and preparing a cup of coffee. In another, it carried a box across a warehouse floor, balancing while navigating obstacles. What stood out most in these clips was the impression of natural human-like motion. The walking gait, the head movements, and the grasping of objects appeared smoother than what Tesla had shown with Optimus. Many observers concluded that Figure Gen 2 was more advanced in terms of motion planning and perception, though these demonstrations were often carefully curated. Figure executives have highlighted that version 2 is designed around the idea of fast learning, with neural networks trained on multimodal data including video, speech, and sensory input. Comparisons between Optimus Gen 3 and Figure Gen 2 have therefore become inevitable. On the one hand, Tesla emphasizes scale, cost, and integration. On the other hand, Figure AI emphasizes fluid motion, immediate demonstrations, and rapid development cycles. The hardware numbers tell part of the story. Optimus Gen 3 is expected to have over 52 degrees of freedom across its joints, with 26 per arm, while F2 is reported to have around 40. Optimus uses Tesla's custom actuators and 4680 battery cell technology, giving it an energy density advantage and allowing operation through a full work shift. F2 is said to use off-the-shelf components for certain actuators, but compensates with sophisticated control software. In terms of vision, Tesla has now integrated both front-facing and rear cameras on Optimus, while Figure AI relies primarily on forward-facing vision systems supplemented by LiDAR in experimental versions. Performance in demonstrations also differs significantly. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 has been shown performing practical tasks such as sorting objects, folding clothes, and walking in factory corridors. These may appear less glamorous but are directly aligned with Tesla's goal of deploying thousands of robots into its own gigafactories before entering the home market. Figure A's F02 videos, by contrast, have focused on human-like activities, making coffee, conversing with humans, or smoothly walking across different terrains. This makes for more compelling media, but has also raised questions about how much of the performance is reproducible in uncontrolled environments. Industry insiders have pointed out that Tesla has a history of under-promising and over-delivering on hardware scaling, while Figure AI is in earlier stages of manufacturing, with only a few dozen units reportedly built. Another point of comparison lies in artificial intelligence. Tesla's advantage stems from the scale of data. The company already has millions of cars feeding real-time sensor information to its Dojo supercomputer, allowing AI models to learn from vast real-world edge cases. These same models can be adapted for humanoid robots, particularly in tasks such as spatial navigation, object recognition, and prediction of human movement. Tesla has hinted that Optimus will benefit from this foundation, accelerating its progress. Figure AI, by contrast, is developing AI models from scratch, though it leverages partnerships with Microsoft Azure and OpenAI to build multimodal learning systems. In some respects, Figure AI has shown faster short-term progress in demonstrating coherent actions, but Tesla's long-term advantage may lie in scale and infrastructure. The economic stakes in this rivalry are enormous. Analysts estimate that the global market for humanoid robots could reach over $150 billion by 2035, driven by labor shortages, aging populations, and demand for automation in logistics, manufacturing, and healthcare. If Tesla succeeds in delivering Optimus at under $20,000, a factory could justify buying thousands of units to replace repetitive human labor. A warehouse employing 100 Optimus units could save millions annually in labor costs, with break-even times measured in months. Figure AI, meanwhile, may carve out niches in service industries where more natural interaction and smoother motion is valued, such as elder care, customer service, or household assistance. F02's emphasis on social interaction could make it attractive in environments where trust and comfort with human-like behavior are essential. Yet, there's more than economics at stake. The cultural impact of these robots is profound. Tesla frames Optimus as a lifestyle shift, not merely a tool. Musk has suggested that every home might eventually have one, comparing it to the spread of cars or smartphones. Figure AI markets F02 as a collaborator, almost a colleague in daily life. The narratives diverge. Tesla emphasizes utility at scale, while Figure AI emphasizes companionship and fluid interaction. Public perception will play a key role, as consumers may be more willing to invite into their homes a robot that feels alive rather than one that feels like a machine, even if the latter is cheaper and more robust. A real humanoid robot for under $6,000. And while we're still picking our jaws up off the floor, Unitree's new $5,900 humanoid robot has just shaken the world. This comes as a robot traffic officer was caught on duty in Shanghai. So, how will the Unitree R1 compete with the Tesla Optimus? Simply put, the Unitree R1 is a lightweight humanoid robot introduced by Unitree Robotics in July 2025. But in reality, it's much more than that. While most humanoid robots on the market today are priced between $50,000 and $200,000, the R1 enters the scene with a starting price of just $5,900, significantly lower than the production cost of Tesla Optimus, which Elon Musk claimed to be around $10,000 in 2024. The Unitree R1 boasts 26 degrees of freedom, covering all movable joints in the body. Not just essential parts like the two hands, which are typically the focus in other robots with fewer degrees of freedom, such as the 12 to 18 commonly found in standard models. Although the R1 is clearly not yet ready to walk into your kitchen or home to perform over 3,000 tasks like the Tesla Optimus, a robot developed by Tesla capable of completing complex chores within 6 months of testing. The fact that a sub-$6,000 robot can move flexibly over rough terrain at a top speed of 3.3 meters per second, and even direct traffic in test scenarios, is awe-inspiring. What makes the R1 special? First of all, its ultra-light weight of only 50 pounds, much lighter than previous Unitree humanoid models like the G1 or H1. This makes the R1 not only easier to transport, but also safer and more flexible, requiring no specialized engineering team for handling, and posing minimal injury risk in collisions, with an impact force of only about 10 Newton meters at low speeds. For comparison, the Tesla Optimus can lift objects up to 40 pounds, enough to lift the Unitree R1 itself if needed. Beyond its physical capabilities, the Unitree R1 is equipped with a multimodal AI system that simultaneously processes voice and visual inputs, achieving up to 92% recognition accuracy in standard test environments. You can issue voice commands, and R1 not only understands but also analyzes its surroundings using 4 integrated 1080p cameras and a LiDAR sensor with a 10-meter scanning range. This robot features advanced functions such as object recognition with 95% accuracy for over 1,000 object types, facial tracking with a 0.5-second response time, and gesture detection with 90% accuracy under good lighting conditions. To give a clear example, if you command it to pour a glass of water, but there's no glass or faucet nearby, the R1 will use its spatial map stored in its 256 GB internal memory to navigate to the appropriate location, such as the kitchen, at a maximum speed of 1.5 meters per second in confined spaces. In terms of power, the Unitree R1 can operate continuously for 1 hour using a 2,000 mAh battery, which can be swapped out in just 30 seconds. While this is 8 times less efficient than Tesla Optimus, which runs for 8 hours on a 16,000 mAh battery. The R1's quick battery replacement helps minimize downtime, especially valuable for researchers conducting continuous 3 to 4 hour testing sessions. The R1 is targeted at researchers, developers, and tech enthusiasts, not household assistants or warehouse robots. It is an ideal platform for testing bipedal movement with 98% step accuracy on flat terrain, AI interaction, and flexible control with its 26 degrees of freedom. At under $6,000, Unitree has lowered the barrier to entry for humanoid robotics, which traditionally required investments of $100,000 or more by labs or large corporations. This makes the R1 a breakthrough not just for its capabilities, but for democratizing access to cutting-edge technology for over 10,000 independent developers, driving faster innovation. You can take the R1 to makerspaces for customization, such as adding sensors or upgrading software, with estimated costs ranging from $500 to $2,000. R1 cannot carry loads over 11 pounds, lacks water resistance, has limited hand dexterity with only 70% grasp accuracy compared to 95% for the H1, and cannot perform complex actions like backflips or folding laundry. But that's not its purpose. More expensive models like the Unitree H1, priced at $90,000, are designed for those roles. R1 is focused on learning, experimentation, and development, serving as a research tool that moves like a human, at speeds up to 3.3 meters per second, understands its environment with 92% accuracy in test scenarios. How would Tesla offer Optimus for $10,000? Tesla has set a target to bring Optimus to market at a price below $10,000 by 2028, a revolutionary move aimed at breaking the cost barrier in the humanoid robotics industry. Currently, robots like the Unitree are priced at $5,900, but are limited to research purposes due to their capabilities, while high-end models like the Unitree H1 can cost up to $90,000. With a target price of $9,900, Tesla aims to make Optimus the first mass-market consumer humanoid robot, much like how the Tesla Model 3 democratized electric vehicles. Tesla plans to begin trial production of Optimus in 2026, with the goal of manufacturing 5,000 units at its Giga Texas factory. During this phase, Optimus will primarily be supplied to business partners, such as logistics and manufacturing companies, at a price of $15,000 per unit. These robots will be used to optimize production lines, for example, transporting components at speeds of 2 meters per second within factory spaces, reducing handling time by 30% compared to human labor. Tesla will also launch an Optimus beta program for 500 selected individual customers who are willing to pay $12,000 to test the robot and provide feedback, helping improve the hardware and software before the full public release. The final phase is set for 2028, when Tesla will officially launch Optimus for sale at a price of $9,900, targeting households, small businesses, and independent researchers. With a production goal of 100,000 units per year, Tesla will leverage its gigafactory network in Texas, Shanghai, and Berlin to meet global demand. Optimus will be sold with an optional Optimus Care service package priced at $500 per year, which includes software updates, battery maintenance, and 24/7 technical support. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.